Hi everyone, and welcome. In this video, we will have a quick look at the progress of Jolene up to the 5,000-kilometer mark from the rebuild. Thank you all for coming on this journey with us. Thank you all for the likes, comments and subscribes. We are thankful for all the love and support. Jolene was purchased on July the 10th, 2024. In 5,000 kilometers in 3 months, we sure have learned so much from Jolene. So here is a quick side-by-side of how we got to this point. This is the rear of the car on purchase, and now we have a new 80mm straight decat exhaust with a 100mm downpipe. We fitted a new working window wiper. This is the front of the car on purchase, and now we have modded the original grille. This is to allow more airflow through the cooler and radiator. As this is an Opel, we have also added an easy-to-reach tow strap. Nothing has really changed on the interior at this point. Due to the work on the motor, the interior has been stagnant. Now for my favorite part, the engine.
Yeah, boy.
Before we show you the motor, please know, Jolene was bought as a daily runner from the salesman, sold to a woman who required a daily running car for work.
The car is a daily runner, that's what I'm telling you. So there is nothing like any illegal, like nothing. Yeah, that's why I'm sure. Okay, understand maybe you are being scammed, but like now you want the right person. I'm not just trying like to blow a trumpet about my soul, but for now, like I'm saying the car. Yeah.
150 kilometers later, the head gasket blew going up the hill on the M13. The head was cracked, warped, and skimmed beyond repair. We were told that there is no spare parts for the car or engine. We were told to buy a new car. Lucky for me, my husband is a man with great resolve.
It's a man of focus, commitment, sheer will.
This is the engine area of the car on purchase, and now the head on the vehicle is from a 1.8 Chevy Cruze. We were told this could not be done. My husband refused to lose, working outside until midnight after work. The head was machined and built by my husband with help from his friends. We would again just like to thank everyone for all the help and assistance with this project. It could not be done without your support. A new KO3 turbine was installed. A K&N filter has replaced the filter box. A new TurboSmart fuel pressure regulator is in control of the fuel pressure. We have had to replace the entire cooling system, starting with this water bottle and cap. A new radiator from the 1.4 diesel Opel Corsa D was fitted. This allows for more space in the front for a bigger intercooler, a future upgrade.
Look at this. Look at this. It's perfect.
As you can see, the motor runs very well since the rebuild. Thank you all for your love and support. You are all highly appreciated. We will be back with more Jolene content soon.